Hello guys, welcome to the code course. This is third class of C Sharp data types, and in this class I will teach you what is the data types in C Sharp. A data type specify the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. And basically there are three types of data types in C Sharp language. First is a value type, reference type, or pointer type data types. First, value data type. In the value data type we can actually check, we can consider sort, integer, character, float, double, etc. inside the value data type. Reference data type will be string, class, object, and interface. And pointer data type will be the pointer. Next, what is value data type? A data type is a value type if it holds a data value within its own memory space. It means the variable of these data types directly contains value. For example, consider integer variable int I equal to 100. The system store 100 in the memory space allocate for the variable. वैल्यू टाइप में क्या होता है एक्चुअली? वैल्यू टाइप में मेमोरी एलोकेट होती है और वो मेमोरी में जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू होती है वो स्टोर करता है वेरिएबल की, ना कि इसका रेफरेंस से स्टोर करते हैं. सो वैल्यू टाइप को हम समझ सकते हैं कि ए डेटा टाइप इज़ ए वैल्यू टाइप इफ़ इट इज़ होल्ड ए वैल्यू विद इन इट्स ओन मेमोरी. For example, already explained to you, there is a one integer data type variable int I equal to 100. So whenever it will consume, it will allocate the memory, it will consider 100, means it will save in the memory actual value of the variable. And the following data type are all of the value data type. If you will see down, bool, type, char, decimal, double, enum, float, integer, long, all are the value types. So whenever you will create the value type data type in the memory, it will hold the actual value of the variable. Next, reference data type. What is the reference data type? It's actually opposite, means in the value data type it will store the actual value of the variable, and in the reference type it will store the reference of the value. So you can see the definition of here. Unlike value data type, a reference type does not store its value directly. Instead, it stores the address where the value is being stored. In other words, a reference type contain a pointer to another memory location that hold the data. So एग्जाम्पल के लिए आप देख सकते हैं, स्ट्रिंग लिया मैंने एक डेटा टाइप और उसमें लिखा है हेलो वर्ल्ड. इस पिक्चर को देखिए, इसमें लिखा है string s equal to hello world. So if you will see, it will not store actual value hello world, it will store the address of that value. Here you can see reference type variable contains address where the value is stored, and actual value जो मेरे पास है वो है hello world. So hello world मेमोरी के अंदर एलोकेट नहीं करेगा, वो एक पर्टिकुलर उसका एड्रेस बना के उसको स्टोर करता है. So this is called reference data type. एक एग्जाम्पल हम इसमें ले सकते हैं, द फॉलोइंग. The following are reference type data type. String is the reference type, array is the reference type, class also a reference type, and delegate, not. And null value, the default value of a reference type variable is null when they are not initialized. Null means not reference, means if you are declaring one variable string type and you are not assigning any value in the variable, so in the reference memory allocate will be the null. A value type variable cannot be null, means if you are defining one value type variable, a value type variable cannot be null because it's hold value. It will not store or hold the reference, it will store actual value. So not a memory address. C# 2.0 introduce nullable type using which you can assign null to a value type variable or declare a value type variable without assigning a value. So C# 2.0 वर्जन के अंदर इन लोगों ने एक कॉन्सेप्ट चलाया था नलेबल वाला, जिसमें हम लोग नलेबल वैल्यू टाइप डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं। तो ये इसके अंदर आता है 2.0 के। नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर डेटा टाइप, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं, but the pointer is C# language is a variable. It is also known as locator or indicator that points to an address of a value. So declare कैसे करते हैं? You can see down. The pointer in C# language can be declared using the asterisk int star a. This is the pointer. Char star c. So this is the character type pointer, and first you can see the integer type of pointer. So if you have any question related to the data types, just put in the comments box, and you can ask me on my email address if you have any questions. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.